1 week after Storm EOWYN blew through, some of these winds were the strongest winds on record, like over 100 mile an hour. It's absolutely crazy to think what it's done to this forest. After an hour out on the bike, I had to head off back home, get showered, bit of breakfast and start ripping up the old rotten decking and filling the skip. Just a quick tidy up in the garden. I even had a concrete block on the bottom of the pizza oven and it still blew it over. Once I've picked this up, we'll get the crowbar and we'll start ripping this wood up. So I've got trainers on. Maybe not a good idea when I'm pulling decking up with nails in. I have got some old work boots here what I've kept just for this project. Some dealer boots, that'll be better. Steel toe caps. So I've just looked there, it's 10:30, I think it's time to go for coffee. Let's go make ourselves a brew. So after a quick coffee, we've got cracking back on with it. It is slow going, but we made good progress and we managed to get it all up in the same day. So as you can see, we've got all that bit up now. It's just a few bits along here. Got about 1 million screws in. And once I've taken this bit out down along here, we can make a start on this bit up here, and this will be the last bit to go. Right, as you can see, we've got that bit out now.
Stand on it.
This peanut, we found a little frog. Hey look, mini frog. So we'll not leave him. We'll put him in this bucket of water and we'll take him over to the pond. Yeah. No.
Do they eat
Oh,
fish?
its legs have crossed. How did that? That's weird.
Have you put water in it? It's not too cold for it, is it?
Let's tap water. I'm going to take that over to the pond now and release him. There you go, frog. Yeah, free! Yay! We've got half of it down now. It's just this other half to take down. So there we go, all the decking is up. I don't think I'm going to do tip runs because I'm going to ruin my car and I'm going to be moving it twice. So the best option is just to get a skip and shot it all in the skip. I only have to move it one more time then. So we'll get the skip ordered for next week and then we'll start hauling it in the skip. there we go guys, all the decking is now gone and it is in the skip. But I also went to B&Q on the way home from work yesterday and I bought myself an impact driver. My mate said, get yourself one of them. He said, you don't want to be using epoxy electric screwdriver. He said, all they're good for is putting flat pack furniture up. So I treated myself to one of these. It was £62 and I had a £10 off if I spent over 50 quid. So I got it for 52 quid. So I'm really happy with that. Absolutely brilliant piece of kit. So that will come in handy for the rest of the job as well. But now you know what time it is, it's time to go and have a coffee.